Okay, let's talk to Kyle first. Hold on. I'm here with my son. Wanna look at the camera? Yeah. All right, son. Got the whole family in here. We all here for this.
I also cut hair too.
Huh?
I cut hair too.
You cut hair too? Mm-hmm. Like daddy?
Yes.
Okay. Who better?
I think both of us.
Okay. All right. So tell the people, Kyle, look up. What we doing? What you want to eat there?
I'm getting an edge up, and then he's gonna do like here, like here.
How you want to? Okay, you want to cut this down first?
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, you can do the same one as you did.
I have a question. On the back, are you gonna mess with that or no?
Yeah, I got an edge in the back. You say no. Shit, huh?
What are you talking about? Why you have to go back there?
I got an edge here.
You don't need that.
No, I do, Mama. That's how an edge up looks.
No, right there, yeah, right there.
Mama, film on previous people now without these.
Get ready. You ready, son?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Let's just start.
You're not gonna cut that off?
Cut it off.
Mom, can we just please start and just stuff like I'm just getting
You said,
y'all been taking forever to talk and I want my edge done.
okay. You ready? You ready?
Yes.
You nervous?
No.
You want to cut it like daddy?
Bruh, I want an edge up.
Okay.
How I use the big one? I'm using that one.
Well, because I like to do some cuts.
I like the that one
I think you nervous.
I'm not nervous.
Been doing too long.
Not on him though.
True. A little nervous. Come on, you can cut the first piece off.
But no, I want Dad to do it.
We'll let Mom cut the first piece. Then they do it. So all you're going to do is take this, cut it down.
Why don't you cut the first piece?
No, y'all not doing it. I want Dad to do
He ain't
it.
messing with y'all at all. So, you ready? Look. That's it. You're going to let Mama do something, okay?
Okay.
How you know you're not gonna get the braid?
I've been doing this for over 15 years. Get in there, Mama.
Okay, but what about me?
So you're going to just cut this off right there. Cut it down. Cut it down.
So just go?
Yep. Yep, go. You want to try some more? Yeah. Can Leah try something?
Sure. I want my foot first.
This always gonna be like
Dang! Y'all cut it off!
Why you just right here? Good. Alright, you want to try something?
So it's something like the, oh, not holding on right.
Ready?
Hold on, you
Mm-hmm. You ain't graduated high school. Now, all you gonna do?
no, just don't cut my whole hair off.
Right there.
Don't do it by yourself. Dang!
This is the same one that messed me up, so. Yeah, good job, boy. Good job. All right, time to get to work now. You ready, son?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do what we do, baby.
You feel it? How does it look?
How's it feel?
Good.
Feel good? What'd you do? Relax. There you go. One more time. Good. You about to get that good old razor.
I'll use a small one this time for the manicure. Delia, guess what I did to your manicure? I cut cut the manicure to you.
Can you use powder? That you use powder?
Mom, Delia, guess what? I cut your manicure.
Oh, I know what the colors mean.
Delia,
What is white?
Delia.
How would you use that?
Oh. Yeah. I gotta run home. Kai, can you sit here and I go home so I can get Daddy shave gel?
No, I'm gonna go. We're gonna stay by ourselves?
This is the first time ever. So what happened was, I'm about to edge him up and I realized I can only use my brand on my son. So I gotta run home and get the shave gel from the crib. Thank you. Oh, shout out, Mama, because I was sure about to use somebody else's.
That's Mama's?
No, we'll be back. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We'll be back. We're back, y'all. We got the Gamechanger gel coming soon. Fresh out the bag.
They was so close.
Because I gotta get the angles right, sir. Actually, I wouldn't mind you right here. Here we go.
It's not coming out.
Here we go. Here we go.
What is that?
Shave gel, you ready? Turn this way. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Don't pop it out. This is crazy. Don't move on. I can't do it.
Just do it, Dad.
Is it? How's it feel?
It looks actually good.
Really good.
Look straight, buddy. I got the move.
Just go down there too.
Okay, yeah, just keep it. Relax.
Mark, stop walking across the beach.
You can't go, buddy, okay?
Don't worry.
Come on. You can't move it. Come on, buddy, okay?
Okay.
Relax. Good. Come on, buddy. Damn, you like your daddy. Relax.
He like one of them little posters that be in the barbershop on the wall. He like one of them little pictures.
That's a compliment. You okay over there?
Dude, why is it so close?
Because I'm watching.
Oh my God, that looks good.
Can I
That
see?
looks great.
Can I see that?
Luckily, his daddy is.
That's what I'm saying. Because it could be first one, but it could suck, and then I'd be really mad.
If he's possible in the barber and you take him to like, that would have been nasty.
I
Huh?
would.
Looks fly.
Would have been so sad.
Halfway fly.
People be burning kids with clippers.
Yeah, because he got light hair. So if you don't, the reason why I'm using the razor, if you don't note yourself, if you don't use a razor, which I mean I don't advise, right? Because his edge is so light, people want to make it sharp, and he got sensitive skin. So if you keep tapping and tapping, he gonna turn red with clippers. You know. In this.
I'm gonna hold it up a bit.
Just tap me.
Can I see?
I know.
Can I see?
Him then, him now. Hold on. It's a little different.
Then can I see?
Ooh, that boy scrumptious.
I want to see you. I want to see
Oh,
you.
well, I got you, boy. I got you.
I want to see you.
Hold on, buddy.
Shoulder's still in the way.
The hardest part is always making sure that it's not gonna be different because she don't leave me as much hair out.
I saw that. Your whole hand covered his face.
I got grown men like, bro, your hair's big. Why do you look my? Cause I gotta get your edge up, bro.
It literally covered his whole face.
I gotta get this, bro. We got some burns, mom. I'm sorry.
They don't ask him for his ID.
Got you.
Deep talk.
This boy is doing better than most men.
Really?
He don't move. You locked in. You can tell you son of a grape.
You what?
He's a son of a grape.
Oh.
It's in his blood. Make him a little slit.
No.
That was a joke. That was a joke, mama. That was a joke. Look straight. All right. You see the mirror?
Mm-hmm. I like it.
You good? Need me to change anything? No?
No.
I got something I want to change though. That's why you never cut your son hair, because I'll be here for hours perfecting this. Family, what do we say? What do we think?
I like it. It's a 10 out of 10.
You all right, mama? How much you paying? Said I just
I
let
have
me.
to pay.
Yeah, they cut. Look, you see what?
I'm paying it in that chair.
Relax, but let me see. See, everything look good. Then we're going to take some of this braid out next time to knock that down. But you like it, son?
Yeah.
You ready to cut my hair?
Yeah.
Stay tuned. To be continued. I love you. Give me 3 of them things.
Can you trim his
Huh?
Can you trim his ends?
Yeah. Come on, let's go Alpha. Let's go. What's up?
You baby.
I love you.
Wait.